before I left off, I did 45x to the third. I'm going to combine my x squared, which would be these. So I'm going to do 545 x squared minus 63 x squared. So let's go ahead and do it. On the data. 5 minus 3 is 2. 54 minus 6 is 48. So 482 x squared. As far as my x's are concerned, I'm going to be left with negative 703 x's. And at the end there, I believe I have a minus 84. Lot of multiplication there. Take your time, go through, check that. But yeah, one of the more non-user-friendly problems I can get here today. All right, so coming down here, real life application, floor space. Find a polynomial that represents the total number of square feet of floor plan shown below. So what we're going to do is basically write an addition problem to the bottom here, which would be x plus 24 plus 6. Sorry, I don't know why I did that. This side's going to be x plus 12. So if I simplify this as x plus 30 is what I was trying to do. Then I'm going to do this. Do they want us to put it in standard form? I guess you don't have to, but I'm going to do it anyway. So x plus 12 times x plus 30, and that's going to include an interior wall. If you FOIL that, you get x squared plus 30x plus 12x plus 360. So we're looking at x squared plus 42x plus 360. That's your polynomial. All right? There's your floor space. You know what x is? You can pretty much figure out what that will be. As far as your problem here, work problem, take a second to read it, and then we'll go ahead and solve this guy. It says for 1980 through 1990, the amount of money A in millions of dollars spent on television, newspaper is such and such. Where T is the number of years since 1980, the amount of money N spent on newspaper to be modeled by N equals and blah, blah, blah. Where T is the number of years since 1980 as well. Write a model that represents the amount of money B spent on television advertising. So, if this number here is both television and newspaper, and this number down here is only the amount of money spent on newspapers. To get television money, just subtract that. So to get B, all we're going to do is take A and subtract N from it. So, to do that, I'm going to do negative 16.2 t cubed plus 153 t squared plus 3609.5 t plus 26265.9 minus all of this. So that would become 30. And I'll put it under this one, 30t squared. This is now minus 2257t and minus 14761.8. So this guy stays, negative 16.2 t to the third. This is 183t squared. Continuing my subtraction here, I get 0.5t, 9 minus 7 is 2. So that's 5, 3, 1. 1,352.5t plus 0.1, 5 minus 1 is 4, 6 minus 6 is 0. That's 5, that's 12, so that's 5. 5 minus 4 is 1, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So right there is what your B would equal to when you subtract the two polynomials. So it's a lot of words. It sounds complicated, but like I said, all you're doing is taking this A value, subtracting the N value. And I believe that's everything for this section. So, hey guys, make good decisions. And it's always around break. So if you're having a break, enjoy it. I'll see you guys soon. Ciao.